slept at 10. So... Oh, I forgot to set the oven. Ooh, I wonder what it tastes like. Oh, there's like no taste. This is supposed to be No-Sebum, which is just like awakening your skeletal system. I used to do it because I feel like it really loosened up my muscles after I ran. I'm trying to just do it more in the morning. What I'm showing here is definitely, I'm not a professional. Definitely look up Chidong like the slapping, and then they'll show you the best points to awaken your system. So what I was doing, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was just doing whatever like just feels tense. Lately, I've been changing into workout clothes as soon as I wake up, but I just saw that it was like raining, so we'll just put these on anyway. Video. Okay. Hey y'all. We missed our flight.
Yeah.
I like it. Abiel's getting our...
I had to take a fat dookie, so we missed our flight.
He's trying to reschedule another one.
Boy. Oh, why does it expand my face? Hey y'all, because I'm at massive diarrhea because I'm lactose intolerant and I have no tolerance against Gouda cheese. Anyways, don't get AirPod Maxes, they suck.
Me as in burgers and beverage.
I can see brother. We made it to the airport. At first you don't succeed, try again. ASMR.
These are good.
I should have got rice. Hi, Mom. My camera's over there.
You can't record it now? Oh, talaga.
I want cheese fries.
No, when we come back from the Philippines.
Where are you planning? Okay. No, brother.
Oh my, no guys.
We just made it to the Airbnb. Gonna get our luggage tomorrow. My tita brought us pajamas. So thank you to her. This room is really pretty. I'm gonna take a shower because international travel.
So I've been praying so hard for a miracle. 부르고 있어 나의 이름을. 더는 안 봐 drama. It's good karma. Don't wrong 1,000 times that I go 있어 뻔한 소각일 뿐이야. 완전 시시야. It's like rising.
Good morning. I just ran. I think I woke up around 5:20 and I took a shower. Going to breakfast.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I already recorded. It's a nice breeze.
Yeah, it is.
Boy's still hungry.
Yeah.
Opposite. You go, boy.
Tell me, does anyone behind?
It's good. Good morning. I guess. I've been spending the past few days trying to help my jet lag. It is like 3:30 right now. I was just reading earlier, but I thought I should go back to sleep so I can try to fix my schedule. I'm getting ready to go to a cafe because I heard they have good matcha. Anyway, I think I'm matcha deprived because like the water has different bacteria here. We have to drink from water bottles for a while. I did bring my big water bottle. I was thinking about getting a huge jug of water. I ate sinigang this morning. It was so yummy. Thank you to my tita for making it for us. It was so good. I want to say thank you to all the people that like helped us to get our luggage back because we did miss our flight and then like the luggage went like everywhere. I just want to say thank you for helping us get our luggage back because it was such a relief. We did get our luggage back. You just see me, oh my goodness, when I'm walking, I literally start sweating like within like the first 5 minutes I get out. It's honestly kind of funny because it looks like I ran a marathon or something. And we're gonna be staying here in BGC. It's like a total of 5 days and then we'll be heading to the province. I was wondering if I should change my skirt. I'll show you after I do my blush. This blush I've really been loving. Oh my goodness. Powder Nose Little Angel Collection Cream Blush S02 Floral Praise. It's literally like my natural blush shade. That's why I've been using it. What do you think? I kind of like it, but I kind of want like something jean. I'm trying to hide the luggage. Hello. I am good. I was out sick for about a week. So I'm full of energy now and I can edit and film some more videos for you. I'm just really I'm so grateful for the people who just really helped me because I think I would have probably still been in bed if I didn't have any help from like my tita. I get to enjoy, you know, fresh air and I can walk, so I'm really happy now. Is there anything you'd like to see? If you have any requests, you can always comment them feel free. I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.